Manning and Ryan Leaf went 1-2 in the draft. You wonder what would happen when they hook up for real. They played in the preseason. Leaf almost sacked by the CBSI. Then it's picked off by Elijah Alexander. You wait for him on Passover. He steps up in Indianapolis. 9th interception of Leaf this year.
Yeah, Leaf looking for Freddie Jones here, and Elijah Alexander locks into him. Leaf will get better at this, locking in on receivers. He did it right there. It cost him an INT.
Meanwhile, Peyton Manning thrown 11 picks the first 4 games. And look at this. Nice naked reverse. Marshall Faulk, wide open, 19-yard TD. Little razzle-dazzle on a fake extra point, a 2-point conversion. 8-0 Colts. First points they scored before the fourth quarter all year. 11-3 in the second quarter. Manning's pass picked off by one of the unsung defensive stalwarts in this league, Rodney Harrison. Harrison will move it down to the 31-yard line. 12th pick of Manning this season. 2nd and 24. Watch the throw here. I mean, Ryan has such a strong arm. To Brian still on 2nd and 24. It's a touchdown punt. Ball back, illegal formation. It's 11-6 at the half. What an odd score. Leaf to Charlie Jones, the announcer. 56 yards down at the 2-yard line. Next play for Kevin Gilbride. A lot of Natron Means today. Natron means business. Not in by much, but under 2 minutes to go, makes it 14-12. So you know they got to go for 2. Leaf looking for the venerable Webster Slaughter. Nowhere near him. So the Chargers now have to try for the onside kick. And look at this. Ken Dilger could go all the way on the onside kick. Leaf gets one last chance, but Tony McCoy makes him a fallen Leaf. The 2 young quarterbacks who will have great careers. Brace in midfield, but Peyton Manning and the Colts, they get off the schneid today. Winning for the first time, win at 17-12, despite 130 yards rushing for Natron Means. 10,000 empty seats in this game, so maybe the fans weren't impressed yet. Tommy.